Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the EVS project for HSC students Arts, Commerce and Science. So the topic of this EVS project is water conservation. So you always need to start with an introduction part. So you need to write some introduction about water conservation. Then you can write about aim, objective and importance, methodology. So this is what is the standard format index by which you can make your EVS project. Now this is just a PDF file in which importance is given, objective is given, aim is given, methodology is given. So according to your requirement you can just jot down the points what are necessary for you and you can write it accordingly. Okay, so you can see here the first para starts with the importance of your project title, that is water conservation. After that you need to write the objective. What is the objective behind your project? So after objective you need to write the aim. So what is the strategy, what is the aim of your project? After that you have to write the methodology which you are going to use. Okay, so there are several methodologies given here, so you can write point wise at least 5 to 6 methodologies, and then you can write the observation or report writing, and finally with the conclusion you can conclude your EVS project. Thank you for watching.